Calculate the surface area and the volume of the cylinder.
Measurements of a cylinder. The radius is 2 centimeters, the height is 15 centimeters, and pi is equal to 3.14. This is the formula to find volume. The formula is volume equals pi r squared times height.
Since we already know the formula to find volume is volume equals pi r squared times height, we can easily substitute in our variables. Knowing that our height is 15 centimeters and our radius is 2 centimeters, our formula is now 3.14 times 2 to the power of 2 times 15. Using BEDMAS, we know that we do our exponent first, which will now make our equation 3.14 times 4 times 15. Once we do the multiplication all the way through, our answer is 188.4 centimeters cubed since we're finding volume.
This is the formula to find the surface area. Surface area equals 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r height.
Once again, we know our formula is Once again, we already know what our formula is, so we can substitute in our variables. Our formula will now be 2 times 3.14 times 2 to the power of 2 plus 2 times 3.14 times 2 times 15. Doing that using BEDMAS, we know we do our exponents first, which will now make our equation 2 times 3.14 times 4 plus 2 times 3.14 times 2 times 15. Following BEDMAS, we're now going to do our multiplication. So we're going to do 2 times 3.14, and our equation is now 6.28 times 4 plus 6.28 times 2 times 15. Once we can do our multiplication on both sides of the equation, and we get 25.12 plus 188.4. Once we add those two numbers together, we get 213.52 centimeters squared.
Statements. Therefore, the volume of the cylinder is 188.4 centimeters cubed. Therefore, the surface area of the cylinder is 213.52 centimeters squared.
How do you know? We know this because we use the proper formulas to find the surface area and the volume.